Have you ever used a face serum that has great ingredients and product claims, but you don't seem to get the results that you were expecting? Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nuna, and in this video I will be giving you a few tips on how to make your serums more effective. Face serums are designed to target specific skin concerns on a deeper level. They have a higher concentration of active ingredients and are designed to provide several benefits to the skin to help improve skin issues or concerns. However, it will not work as effectively if it's not applied correctly. No matter how good the formulation of your facial serum is or how much money you spent on it, if you don't apply it correctly and efficiently, you may not get the desired results or not as quickly. So incorporating these tips into your serum application procedure will ensure that you get the most out of your face serum. The first tip is to cleanse your skin. This is the first thing that you can do to maximize the effects of your facial serum. It ensures that there is no buildup of sebum or dirt on your skin that will prevent the serum from absorbing into the skin, and it's even better if you wash your face with lukewarm water, not hot water or cold water. This will help to improve the absorption of the serum because of the increased temperature. The next tip is to apply the serum to damp skin. This will enhance the absorption of the serum since damp skin is more permeable as compared to dry skin. Keep in mind that this rule applies to almost every product except for if you're applying a sunscreen. Obviously you wouldn't want to apply it to damp skin because it can shear out the sunscreen, and also if you have sensitive skin you won't want to apply a retinol serum to damp skin because this may cause irritation to your skin. The next tip is to exfoliate your skin. When you remove dead skin cells from the surface of your skin, it makes it easier for the serum to absorb into the skin, and it's recommended to use a chemical exfoliator versus physical exfoliator. And keep in mind, it's not advisable to exfoliate the skin just before you apply the serum. It's best to exfoliate your skin the day before. Another reason why your serum is not giving you the results you want is that you might be using too much of it. Serums contain a higher concentration of active ingredients, so you only need to apply a pea-sized amount to it. If in doubt, look at the product directions. It will tell you how much to apply. If it doesn't specify how much to apply, just apply a pea-sized amount of it to your skin. The next tip is to gently apply the skin serum. If the skincare serum that you have does not have specific application instructions, it's recommended to take a pea-sized amount into your hands and spread it between your palms and gently press it into the skin while avoiding pulling or tugging on the skin. This method of applying the serum helps to prevent causing any irritation to the skin during application. After you have applied your serum, it is recommended to wait a few minutes to allow the serum to absorb into the skin before moving on to apply your other skincare products. Another tip to get the best performance out of your skincare serum is to apply your serum and other skincare products in the correct order. When you apply your skincare products in the order of thinner to thicker consistency and water-based to oil-based, this gives each product the opportunity to absorb into the skin. For example, you would first cleanse your skin, then follow that up with a toner if you're using one. If not, then you follow that up with your serum, then apply a moisturizer to lock in the serum. Then you can apply a sunscreen after that if it's during the day. Another thing to keep in mind is when you should apply the face serum. For example, if it has ingredients that will protect your skin during the daytime, such as antioxidants, then it's best to apply it during the day. And if the skin serum has ingredients that will exfoliate the skin or nourish the skin, you will want to apply that during the nighttime versus during the daytime, where it will make your skin more sensitive to exposure from the sun. And finally, if you're combining serums or applying other actives, you may want to ensure that the active ingredients work well together and to not reduce the effect of each other. Some ingredients work well together and even enhance the performance of each other, while others may affect the performance. Here's a few examples. Overall, face serums can provide a great boost to your skincare routine because they are packed with high concentrations of active ingredients that can instantly absorb deep into the skin to target specific concerns. And besides choosing the right serum with the right active ingredients to target your individual skin concerns and goals, and it's important that you properly apply this serum so that you can reap the maximum benefits from it and get the best results. If you like this video, please check out this next video. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below what you'd like to see next, and please subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching.